Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about a keyword research tool. Here you can go and type answer the public. So this one is the useful tool that lets you do keyword research, that is trending. So first of all we need to create a free account. Click here continue with Google button, and after that now let me select my Gmail account. Then scroll down and click here continue button. Now here you can type any keyword. For example, let me select web development services. And here you can select the language, then select the country. For example, let me select India, then click on search all button. Now here you can see it is loading data. So within couple of seconds it will generate a complete report. Here you can see these are the keywords that people search on the search engines, and these are the keywords that came from AI models. After that, if I scroll down, here you can see these are more results, and these are some keywords. So if you want to see all of the keywords and full report, then you need to upgrade this package.